Think of money like slices of pizza. If 10 people are sharing one pizza, each slice has value. Now add more people, but don't add more pizza. Each slice gets smaller. Over the last few years, a massive amount of new money entered the economy fast. But we didn't suddenly produce more houses, food, or energy. More dollars, same stuff. Prices rise. Your money isn't disappearing, it's being diluted. That's why everything feels more expensive, even if your paycheck didn't change. Groceries cost more, rent junked, eating out feels like a special occasion. And yet no one clearly explained why this is happening. At the same time, supply broke down, factories slowed, shipping became more expensive, products took longer to arrive. When demand stays high but supply drops, prices don't ask permission, they jump. And this wasn't one problem, it was several problems hitting at the same time. For years, borrowing money was easy. Interest rates were low and spending felt painless. Homes, cars, businesses. That spending pushed prices even higher. Then interest rates went up. But here's what most people miss. Prices don't instantly come back down. Even if your salary increased, it probably didn't increase as fast as prices. That's why your lifestyle feels tighter. You're not worse with money. Money itself simply buys less than it used to. Most people think inflation means prices going up, but inflation is actually money losing purchasing power. Rising prices are just the symptom. So no, this isn't only about greedy companies. And no, you're not imagining it. The system changed. Your wallet noticed first. Once you understand this, money starts making sense again. And this is just the beginning. In the next videos, we'll break down how money actually works, clearly, simply, and without hype.